Hi, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make the Suzette stitch. With the Suzette stitch pattern, we are going to make a headband. I have Bennett Premium yarn and size 5 hook, a yarn needle, and a small pair of scissors. Okay, now let us start making some chains. I want to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I want to make a turning chain, so 13. Okay, then the second chain from hook, that is this is the second chain from hook. You're making a single crochet and a double crochet in the same space, same stitch. Then skip the next chain. Then the next chain we make one single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next one, make single crochet and double crochet. Then skip the next, make single crochet and double crochet. Then skip, then single crochet and double crochet. Then we skip one, then here, then there is only one left, right? So let us make a single crochet and a double crochet, and the next one we make one single crochet. So you start your row with a single crochet and end with a single crochet. Now mind it is like a 2 here, then chain 1, turn, single crochet on top of the single crochet, then skip the next stitch, this one. You go to the next stitch and make a single crochet and a double crochet, and repeat this one as much as you want your as long as you how long you want your hairband be, make that many stitch, that much long. Just like this, and skip this one, and the last one on top of that first single crochet, you make another single crochet. It's hard to get. That is it. There's the stitch going on. Chain 1, turn, single crochet on the first single crochet, then skip the next one, then single crochet, double crochet in the same space, then skip next, single crochet, double crochet. So if you are making one for adult women, then it will be like about 20 inches long. Make sure you end with a single crochet. I will make enough stitches to make it as a headband, like about 20 inches. Then we will meet again. I was finishing off the gray one, then I forgot to switch on the camera, so I didn't capture how I was finishing it. So I take the purple yarn, made another one, and now it is done. So let us finish this off. The thread the yarn needle. I'm going to make the same like a turban style finishing. So just fold it over like a half, then put the other end inside, then fold over, just like that. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides together. So go through. That's the first one. This is the second one, and I got the third, and I got the fourth. Just stitch it just like that. Come back and take it, and just like that. I think everyone knows how to do this fold and stitch, making it. Oh, somebody is getting hungry for the 4 o'clock snack. Yes, baby, I'm coming. And then when you are here, you got the previous yarn tail, so you can just have it tie it over there. Make sure there is nothing, no gap. Okay, there is a little bit of gap here, so let us catch that one. Okay, I think I got it. Then go like this, and I want to stitch it tight. And when we reach the other end, go over and just like that, and through that one make a knot. It is tight. Make it one more time. Go and go through that loop and tighten it. It is like a double knotted. You have to hide the yarn end. You just go through the stitches inside, go all the way to make it a little more there. Then hold tight, cut it closely. Now that's it. Now we can hide this yarn, so it is not long enough, so I'm going to put the needle first. I can see the eye of the needle. I'm trying to make it. Okay, I got everything in the yarn eye and needle eye, so just push it out, get cut, just knit. Now we turn it inside out. Okay, that's it. This is a stitch more dense than just doing a double crochet or just being half double crochet. It is, but it has a stretch. See, so when you are making it, make sure it is just stretch a little bit to make sure it fits your head if you are making for your own. Otherwise, like if it is like a 22 inches is the head circumference is going to be make it like 21 inches. That will make it better fit. So that's it. Okay, I have actually have this one in multicolor yarn. There's a self-striping yarn, so I got some stripes. It was made in lengthwise. This was this one, and the gray one was in widthwise. It's actually made in lengthwise. It's nice. Okay, that's it for today.